very warm good morning to all the children and the teachers,
Good morning,
and
ma'am.
happy Guru Purnima to all of you. And today we are going to learn about human torso and the skeletal system. That is quite little bit difficult subject also to understand so many things about human body. So Jai Shri Madam and Ganesh sir, Jai Shri Madam will speak in English and Ganesh sir will speak in Kannada for technical aspect. So you will understand the technical terms in Kannada also. Okay, and here we are this our project is organized by Concept Education and yes, and the United Way. Uh, United Way has set up the science centers in your schools. So, can we, Vijay, would you like to speak something for 2 minutes? Vijay, are you there?
Hi, good morning to all. So I'm actually on the way to somewhere to visit.
Good morning,
Yeah,
sir.
good morning. So I'm just on the way. I'm traveling. So congratulations for everyone. Best of luck. And really, it helps the teaching for our all the kids, the children, those who are studying in our government schools, in 16 schools. So thank you, ma'am, for really last time which we had the webinar. It was really useful, and all our government children, they are so happy and excited to learn more about the science and all. So I could get some feedback from our government teachers and school HMs, and they given a good response to the for the all the things that we have which you have taught. So thank you one more time for everyone. So learn it and do well in your examination and in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vijay. And
Yeah.
this we are learning this time not on the blackboard. This is completely exciting session of activity. Through activity, our Jayashri Madam is going to teach everything through activity. So please concentrate and watch. Jayashri Madam, hand over to you.
Thank you, Sharvari. Namaste. Happy Guru Purnima to all the teachers and the guides in this group. Namaste, Ganesh sir.
Tara. Good
Thank you.
morning.
Good morning, sir. So today, whole day, we are telling Guru Purnima, Happy Guru Purnima, Happy Guru Purnima, Happy Guru Purnima. So today morning, I got a phone call, and the name is Guru. Somebody called Guru called me and told me that I am going to come and be with the children of Bangalore.
Wow, that's good, ma'am.
Yeah, you want to
Wow.
see Guru?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Do you all want to see Guru?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
seen Guru?
No, ma'am.
No, no, no. So Guru came running. He came without his dress. He came without his body parts. He just came running. I want to show you how he came.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ
Hmm. So Ganesh sir will tell you how what I'm telling. Today Guru has come running without his body parts. He has come so happy he was to meet you.
How, ma'am?
I will show you how he has come. Shall I show you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes. He came running like this
And skeleton.
without any body part. He came running. He forgot his body parts and he came running.
Ma'am, how can he run, ma'am, without his body?
See here, his legs are there. See how fast he can run. Can you see?
Ma'am.
And he wants Guru wants to tell you hello. So Guru is telling you hello, giving you a handshake.
Hello, Guru.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Okay. So today Guru is telling you teach about me. So because I have only his body, I don't have his body parts. I will teach you about his bones. But he is telling I want to teach myself. So every time we learn a part, this part will come and touch you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ganesh sir, shall we start?
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
Yeah.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುವವರೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಲಿಷ್ಟಕರವಾದ ಪದಗಳು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ.
Swagatam. Still. Okay. Now, what is this? In this picture, Guru is asking, which house looks stronger? Two houses are there.
ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Building house.
Why? Why?
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್.
Cement.
Okay. There is some answer. We go to the next one. To dress. Which one is in good shape? The first one or the second one? Shape, akar.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಯಾವ ಮನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಅಬೌಟ್ 2 houses, ನೋ? ವಿಚ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಶೇಪ್?
ಸರ್, ಎರಡು ಗುಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಶೇಪ್. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶೇಪ್? ಎರಡು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್, ಮೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
This one or this one? First one or second one is in good shape? The one on the hanger or the one on that mannequin? Which one is in good shape? Left or right? कौन सा शेप अच्छा है? शेप which?
मैम, दोनों भी अच्छा है.
हाँ, कौन सा और अच्छा है? ओके. तीसरा, एक, this one is made of steel and clay. This one is made of clay. Which is got good protection?
Ma'am, steel and clay, I think.
Why?
Because it is strong.
Hmm. Okay. What is there inside?
Ma'am, steel no ma'am. It protect the clay.
Ah. So, in this house, there is strong sticks.
So ma'am, mold is good.
Ah, this house has, this person's body has a shape, mold. This one has steel, so mold is good. This is the mold. This is the
Ma'am,
mold.
which is the steel ma'am? Which is the steel?
This one is steel. Left side is steel. Here there is no steel. Here this is calcium.
Okay ma'am.
So this is the framework. Like how there is framework for the clay, framework for the person, framework for the house, like that, this is the framework for the body.
Yes ma'am.
ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚೌಕಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ, ಒಂದು ಚೌಕಟ್ಟು ಮೊದಲು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay. So now we will see why framework is important. 4 reasons. Strength, shape, protection, movement,
To be stiff.
yes, and longevity, long lasting. 4 reasons. Ganesh sir wants to tell. Ganesh sir,
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್.
the 4 reasons to have a framework.
ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಕಾರಣಗಳಿದೆ. 4 ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 4 ಕಾರಣಗಳು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು.
So strength, shape, protection, and long life are the 4 reasons. That
ನೋಡಿ,
is why.
ಒಂದು
Okay, ma'am.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಲವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶೇಪ್, ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಆಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3ನೇದು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. 4ನೇದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್, ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲ ಬಾಳಿಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ 4 ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಸೇಫ್, ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಕಾರಣ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Okay sir.
So now this is Guru. Guru without his body parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Skull, face bone, teeth, jawbone. See jawbone, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Ma'am, it is also moving ma'am.
Yes! Guru's telling hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Then ribs. Inside the rib.
ಪಕ್ಕಲುಬುಗಳು. ಓಕೆ,
Inside the rib, you can see here inside the rib, heart.
Yes ma'am.
Under, inside, heart.
Okay, ma'am.
Heart. And hands. Legs. This is the biggest bone. This one. Biggest bone.
Name ma'am?
It is the pelvic bone.
Pelvic bone.
pelvic bone. This is the
Ma'am, there
biggest.
is 206 bones in human body, no ma'am?
Yes. When we are small children, 270 bones.
Ma'am,
And when 270, and when we become big, many bones come together and become one. So 206.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the long bone, longest bone. The
It is in leg, no ma'am?
leg, the thigh bone, longest bone, strongest bone. And feet. Feet. The feet are coming to touch.
Toes.
Guru is giving his blessings to all. Yeah. So
We
these
took,
are
ma'am.
these are the parts of the body. Now we will see one part alone.
Okay, ma'am.
Ganesh sir, anything?
Yes, ma'am.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ
Okay,
ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. They will understand every words do not require translations.
Sir.
They don't require that. ಒಂದು ಜಾ ಬೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದವಡೆ ಮೂಳೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈಗ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. Separately madam will explain each part. So we shall go ahead, madam. You can go ahead.
So the skeleton has a function, many functions. Same function like framework: support, protection, motion, regulation of hormones, and storage. The bones will store some material inside. So 5 functions of the skeletal system.
Madam, please repeat, madam.
The first function is support. The second is protection. Then motion, movement. Then hormones. And storing some material. Storing of some material inside the bone.
I would like to repeat this one. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೆಲವು ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಸ್ಥಿಪಂಜರ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರ ಕೆಲವು ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಧಾರವನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡನೇದು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೂರನೇದು ಮೋಷನ್, ಚಲನೆ, ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಂಗ್, ಕೆಲವನ್ನ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Now we will see skull. This full thing is the skull. This full thing. See at the back also. Skull is still here. The face is here. It comes down. This part and this part together. Skull. Inside the skull, we will open the skull.
Brain.
Like nariyal, like coconut. Inside the skull, brain. This is the brain.
Yes, ma'am.
There is 2 parts, miss. Left brain and right
Yeah,
Three parts.
yeah. And in below
Three
also
parts.
another. Yes.
Yes,
Below
ma'am, 3
another.
parts.
Yes.
Yes, 3
And
parts.
this
Yeah.
brain, if you see, has got small parts like this. So it has to go inside. And so look at this. Look inside. Inside you can see pockets. Like how chawal, dal, bhaji, achar, like that. Small pockets inside.
Ma'am, we can eat food.
Yes, we can eat food. Yes. So now that is the skull. This one goes inside and this one gets covered. So you saw
Protection for
this?
brain.
Very good. The skull cranium protects the brain. The brain is like butter. Butter.
ಬಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
Bene, yes, sir.
Benne, like
Yeah.
that, butter. So protection. This one protects.
Ma'am, I have
Protect
doubt.
the brain.
Protect the brain. Who has doubt?
Ma'am,
ma'am.
that is very strong, Namis.
Very strong.
Yes.
Like coconut.
Like coconut.
Yes.
Very strong.
Yes. This side is the cheekbone. Cheek.
Under the eyes. Yeah.
Eyes. See, nose, 2 parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
And inside this
Backbone.
Backbone.
Yes, from the brain, inside the brain, there are nerves coming. Nerves.
Nose.
Nerves are like our hair. It comes and it
Yes,
goes inside this bone. These are all the
You
nerves.
raised your hand.
These are
Manva
all
is
the
having any
nerves.
question?
Can see
Yeah, ma'am.
yellow nerves. They are coming from the
Ma'am,
brain.
it will be with bones only, ma'am.
It will go through the bones. Bones
Okay,
के
ma'am.
अंदर से जाएगा. So bone will protect.
Ma'am, why ma'am it is in left side?
No, all side. They have shown only one side.
Okay, ma'am.
This is just for showing you. It is there all over. All
Ma'am,
over.
ma'am, all nerves will be the inside the bone only, ma'am. Not
It will come from inside the brain
okay, ma'am.
and then pass through the vertebral column, spine.
Ma'am, what about muscles?
Muscles will cover this.
Okay, ma'am.
Muscles will be the covering. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Without body, skeleton can move.
Yes. I will show you in the end the skeleton dancing.
Okay, ma'am. Real skeleton, ma'am.
Real skeleton dancing. Yes.
Ma'am, it is.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No.
So now we go further. This is the shape of the vertebral column. See, it is like this. It has got S shape. Goes inside, comes out. Like this, goes inside, comes out. This much is from the head, cervical. See, name is written. Cervical. This is from the head,
Okay, ma'am.
cervical. This much is from the ribs, so thoracic. Thoracic. This one is for the entire body parts, so lumbar. 3 parts: cervical, thoracic, lumbar. Okay. Then here many bones join together. Last. Many bones join together and it is called the sacrum. Sacrum. Then you see one small part here, small part
Yes, ma'am.
here.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the tailbone. It is called the coccyx. Coccyx. In human being, no tail. So
Yes, ma'am.
it is sleeping. dormant.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the vertebral column. The vertebral column has got hole inside, like this hole, and the nerves pass through the hole.
Okay, ma'am.
It is like
Okay, ma'am.
pipe.
Ma'am, if bone damages?
Then the nerves will get damaged. Then there will be no reaction to touch.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we go
Ma'am,
ahead.
we can see the nerve, no, ma'am?
Huh?
We can see the nerve.
Yes, we can see the bone. Now this part here is like the tie. Can you see like the tie?
Yes,
Children
ma'am.
put tie, no? This tie, see Vijay sir's photo also has tie.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this part is called sternum.
Turn.
Sternum.
Yeah, madam. Some words we do not get equivalents.
Yeah.
But
Never
if you
mind,
show
sir.
the parts, children will understand. madam.
Yeah. So I will just show. If you when you want to say, you come, sir.
Okay, madam.
So this part is the sternum. Okay. From the sternum, these ribs start and they come and they end here.
Ma'am, you can spell it out some different difficult spellings so they can able to write.
Sternum. Sternum. It is there, no, Sharvari, on the screen it is there.
Yes, it is there. They have to start this this. Okay, captions. They have to start captions.
Sternum. So this is sternum. These are the ribs. Now this ribs, no, this top ribs, upar ka ribs, up ribs, they are full from here to here, from here to here, full. So they are true ribs, sacha rib.
It
Ganesh-
protects the lungs, no, ma'am, and
Ganesh
heart.
said, yes. The first 5 are true ribs. True ribs. Ganesh sir wants to tell.
ಯಾ ರಿಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕೆಲುಬುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕೆಲುಬು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರಿಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕೆಲುಬುಗಳು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ರಿಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೇನು ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Thank you, madam.
Some ribs not to the sternum, here, half. Some ribs are connected half. It is not direct connected. They are not true ribs. They are not true ribs. They are connected half. And some ribs are broken. See here, 1, 2, these are broken. They are not full. They are left half. 1, 2, half. So total for protection. It is not only this much is required. This is extra for protection support.
Okay, ma'am.
This much
Okay, ma'am.
true ribs. This much is again some extra protection. And this is just for making it strong. So total 12 ribs. 12. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now collarbone. This is the collarbone. Collarbone. This line. Collarbone. This one.
Shoulder.
Here and here, collar. Okay, and that is called clavicle. CLAVICLE. V-I-C-L-E, clavicle. So this clavicle is connected to this part here. This part here, you can see this.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see this small part here. This part is the scapula. 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 You put your bag on the scapula when you go to school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You put
yes,
your
ma'am.
bag here. Scapula protects.
Ma'am, we think us bag, ma'am.
Yes. So, clavicle and scapula.
Scapula.
That is shoulder.
Good morning, ma'am.
Shoulder bone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Then this one down. This one down. See your down. This down. This full thing is the sacrum. Sacrum. They have all become one. Pelvic bone. It is the pelvic bone. This one here at the back, all this is the sacrum. And this is the coccyx, tailbone, tailbone, tailbone. Last. There is a hole here. There are holes here, see, for the body parts to go. This full pelvic bone helps us to stand, to sit, to dance, to swing, to sleep, to run, to jump. This pelvic bone, strong pelvic bone, strong
Main.
pelvic bone, main bone. Ganesh sir wants to tell.
ಪೆಲ್ವಿಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಸ್ಥಿಪಂಜರದ ಒಂದು ಬೋನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಏನೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಓಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
Yes.
There is hole, no, ma'am. In
Yes, there are holes. There are holes for the arteries and the veins to go, for the nerves to go, for the bones to go. So there are lot of, see, like bone, this bone has to go inside. Now this is the hand. The hand has got humerus. The big part is humerus, only one bone, humerus. Then two bones, radius and ulna. Radius and ulna. This is humerus. This is radius. This is ulna. Why
Ma'am,
two
why
bones?
two bones?
Yes, why? Good question. Two bones, because when lifting heavy weight, two people are helping. Two bones are helping.
Okay, ma'am.
So it becomes
Yeah, ma'am,
easy. Easy.
Ma'am, then upside is only one bone.
But it
there,
is
no, ma'am.
strong. It is strong.
Okay, ma'am.
If this
It is little fat also,
if
ma'am.
this is two, it is long. If this is two, it may break.
Yes, ma'am.
Carpus, metacarpus, and fingers, phalanges. All these phalanges have three small bones, except the thumb, which has two bones. The thumb has only two bones. All others have three bones.
Why, ma'am?
Ma'am, why,
The thumb is for opposite to the hand.
Only one.
Opposite to the hand.
Okay, ma'am.
If it was very big, then it will become too much. So it is strong. They made it strong and they made it small.
We can
Maybe,
control also,
madam,
ma'am, if it is
yeah,
long.
maybe 4 fingers are on one side, 4 fingers are in one team, and thumb is in
One.
another team.
Yes, yes. To hold.
Yeah.
Without thumb also we can't hold things. No.
No.
You
Difficult.
can't write also.
Difficult.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If it is long also we can't do works.
Yes. So now leg. This is the long bone, femur, and then 2 bones, tibia, fibula. Tibia, this is tibia, this is fibula. Tibia and fibula. And this is the feet, tarsus, metatarsal, and the phalanges. Just like the hands. Just like the hands. What is the difference? Hand and leg. What is the difference? Can you ask?
Ma'am, there is longer finger, no, ma'am, in leg.
Long finger, huh? But finger cannot go opposite leg.
Yes, ma'am.
Leg finger is
finger
like
has-
this.
Ma'am, and leg is bended.
Leg is bended. That
Yes,
is to
ma'am.
stand, and it is not going opposite. No.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why we cannot climb trees like the monkeys.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So that is why we are on the earth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have studied the skeletal system. Guru wants to say bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye
Guru's
bye.
telling when Guru did not
Bye-bye.
Guru did not bring body parts with him, no? So he put all the body parts in another packet and he told his servant to bring. So the servant has
Ma'am,
brought.
I have one doubt, ma'am.
Ha, bolo.
The rib bones, ma'am, is
Ah,
in accidentally they break.
yes.
When they connect, and how do you connect?
Then the doctors bring them together and they join them and then they do surgery, and after living for some days the bones start becoming friends, and then the cells will come and hello, and then they will become
They
one.
connected.
Yeah,
Yes.
like that, like friendship.
Very strong, ma'am, is that bones.
Very strong and very loving also.
But when it
Ma'am,
is broken, we have to very pain and very.
Yes. One small cut, how much pain? So now, now you know, in the other box that Guru has sent one dabba, no, with another body parts. We will see what those body parts are. So he sent the body parts in another packet. See, this is the packet. I want to show you the packet here. See the packet he has sent. He
Yes,
said.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He said you have they all know about this inside part. Now I want to show them what is there on my body without the hand and the leg. He wants to show you his strong, what are all there inside, the secret inside. That is called human torso. The torso head wants to meet your head and say hello.
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 Hello. We will go to the next one. That's the lungs. See here.
Lungs.
This one.
Left
To
and
breathe.
heart.
Lungs. The lungs are full of oxygen. The lungs are full of oxygen, and it is when it is full of oxygen, it is very, very happy. It is full of, from the nose through the bronchus, it comes into the lungs, and the lungs are like balloon. Like that, it becomes big and small. From the lungs, this oxygen mixes with the blood and it goes inside the heart. That's the heart. You can see the heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can see the heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now this heart, we will open the heart. Inside the heart, see 4 parts. Up 2, down 2. Ganesh sir, you want to tell?
ಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶ. ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮ್ಲಜನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮ್ಲಜನಕ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಕ್ತದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಿಶ್ರಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಕೋಣೆಗಳಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. It is very clear, madam. They are able to see the parts inside the heart also.
Yeah, 4 parts.
Yeah, 4 parts. 4 ಭಾಗಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So madam ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Please, madam.
Okay. So we saw the lungs. Then below the lungs, heart. Yes, Girish. That's the heart. We saw the heart. Okay, small heart. Put your hand like this much. This is the size of your heart.
Yes, ma'am.
My heart is so much. See how much your heart is. Fold your hand and see the size of your heart. See how small.
So small, ma'am.
Yes, the small baby's heart is so small. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. And it controls whole body.
Yeah, really. And it tells when its mother comes near. Then we have the stomach. Now this part here is the stomach. This part here is the stomach. This is the stomach. You can see stomach.
Ma'am,
Stomach.
why heart is present in only left side?
It is present in the left side because many other organs are present on the other side. So to balance.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Huh.
Some people have also right side heart.
Some people, special people.
Okay.
Sometimes, my nose will be like this. Sometimes like this. Why? Special. Okay. So this is like, this shape is called, ये shape को बोलते हैं waterman's shape. Waterman's bag. पहले जमाने में इसमें पानी भरता था. Full water. And उसको ऐसा करेगा तो पानी गिरेगा. उसको ऐसा करेगा तो पानी stop.
Store होगा.
हाँ, सो ऐसा बैग के जैसा डालेगा, ऐसा करेगा पानी गिरेगा, ऐसा करेगा नो पानी फॉल.
In desert regions. they
In
store
desert
money.
region, yes, desert region में, desert में, see this is the stomach. हाँ, ये stomach है. Now stomach के बाहर there is another big part. This is the big organ. Heart का उतना ही important है, and this part is called the liver. This liver is nice because it helps us to remain strong and slim. See how this is so big. It helps us to digest butter,
Food.
vennai,
All the
oil,
liquid foods, miss.
paneer, cheese, all that is digested. If this
Fat items.
yes, fat item. If liver is not working, then I will become motu, 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 motu. This is the liver. And liver has got an organ where it stores the liquid. The liquid from the liver is called bile, bile juice. Bile juice is yellow color. Yellow color. Sometimes when you vomit, yellow color comes out.
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes, ma'am.
kadwa, kadwa.
ಪಿತ್ತ ಪಿತ್ತ
Not
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
taste.
ಅದು.
Yes,
ಮಕ್ಕಳ
ma'am.
ಪಿತ್ತ
Huli,
ದೋಷ ಅದು.
huli.
Yes, ma'am.
Ganesh sir is telling something.
Yeah. ಕಹಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು, ಪಿತ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತ್ತಕೋಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Okay. Below that is the intestine. Intestine. This is pancreas, leaf, shape of leaf. Pancreas. Now we are saying no diabetes. People are having diabetes because of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Pancreas.
Pancreas. This is the small intestine. छोटा छोटा
Yes,
छोटा
ma'am.
छोटा intestine ऐसा 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 coil करके अंदर रखा है.
7 centimeter, no, ma'am?
6 meters.
66 meters.
And this one is the large
Large
intestine. तो इसके अंदर food is digested, food is absorbed, food goes with the blood, and only water and waste in the intestine, and it gets thrown out from here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ganesh sir.
ಕರಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು 7 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಏನೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ, ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ತ್ಯಾಜ್ಯ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Yeah. Two important organs, pancreas and liver, for digestion. Carbohydrate, everything is digested here. Fat is digested here. And they meet in the stomach. The stomach meets here at the end of the stomach, duodenum. See there it is written yellow color, duodenum. DUODENUM. So we have seen. Now inside, see inside. Inside you can see 1, 2. Can you see 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kidney,
Yes, ma'am.
kidney,
Kidney. Yes, ma'am.
kidney. It takes out the waste, nitrogen waste.
Urine waste.
We eat protein, no? Protein has got nitrogen. That nitrogen has to be thrown out because that nitrogen has got bad smell and it spoils the body. So kidney does filtration. It filters the blood. It makes the blood, removes the waste and makes the blood pure. The waste comes out like this. It is stored here and then it is thrown out from the body.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So kidneys, ureter, urethra, and goes out.
Excrete.
It gets excreted out. Okay. So this is about the human torso.
Okay, ma'am.
So today you have studied about the skeleton system and you have studied about the
Parts of
parts
body.
of the body. you have also to study about the head. See how the head inside has got the brain. This
Yes,
part
ma'am.
here takes all the nerves, the cranial nerves. This is from the nose, it comes down. This is from the mouth, it comes down here and goes. This is the brain, it gets protected by the skull. See, this is the medulla, this is the cerebellum, cerebrum, cerebellum.
It is the
The
main point in brain, no ma'am?
this one. All your
Yes, ma'am.
buddhi, akal here. And this one here is your balance. This one. And the midbrain, all important. So you understood about the body parts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now this
It is
is about
awesome
the
class,
kidney. Yeah, no, very nice. I like the way you all are talking. So nice. Now I've got one skeleton dance here. The skeletons.
Yes,
Ganesh
ma'am.
sir
Very
wants
excited
to.
to see, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ganesh
madam, there
sir.
is, there is very nice interaction. Children are very interested to learn biology, it seems, when compared to the
Yes,
other
sir.
students. They have a lot
Yes,
of
sir. Biology is
interactions,
very
questions,
interesting.
answers. Yeah.
Yes.
But unfortunately, this kind of teaching is not happening in the classroom. So
Hana sir.
everywhere child has to imagine by art, anything, everything. That is the problem
This
with the
is
system we have.
yes,
If
sir. Yes, sir.
everything is, every lesson goes like this with models, visuals, which children can see, feel, touch, then all the
Yes, sir.
children will enjoy. But in this
Yes.
way, the STEM lab has helped us a lot, madam. But other schools
Yes,
are
sir.
lacking this facility. But still, teachers can make models or buy models. There are grants from the governments also, but the funds are not well utilized. But they are spent for things which are not so useful.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, brother. Children, we have very much interaction with you, good interaction there. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because of your understood very well. Thank you,
I
sir.
showed a little bit, but most of them are studying English
Yes,
medium
yes,
only.
yes.
Madam. Yeah.
So thank you, sir.
Yes,
Shall
yes.
we see the dance?
Children,
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Now, in your school program also, you can do this dance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have
ma'am.
a
Good
doubt.
idea, ma'am.
Bolo.
Huh, ma'am. If someone fall in coma stage, why don't have any moves and any feelings?
It depends. It depends upon why that person is in coma, because of some serious illness, because of some reason why the message is not reaching the brain, or maybe the message from the brain is not coming to the hands and the legs and the mouth and the face. So something is wrong with the communication with the brain. That is
Okay, ma'am.
why.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but they'll be alive, no, ma'am?
They will be alive, and nowadays there are very good medicines for people to come back to original.
Yes, ma'am.
chill.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Ah,
How many nerves in our body?
1 minute, 1 minute. Can you see this dance now?
No, ma'am.
No, 1 minute.
No, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute, it will come. It will come, it will come.
Wait. For
Yeah,
2
ma'am.
minutes.
Came.
Yeah, it came.
Same.
Yeah, ma'am.
I will start.
Yes. Okay. Ma'am.
Ma'am, but no sound.
1 minute. How to make the sound? 1 minute, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You like the session today?
Yes, ma'am. So much we liked.
So much. We are enjoying.
Learn more in biology.
We are excited to see the dance.
Yeah, I don't know why the sound is not coming my ear, but just now you just see the dance.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send you the song. I will send you the song to the group.
Okay, ma'am. It is fine, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Some things are written, so you can see that.
Cranium.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me.
So, did you like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, in real human skeleton can dance, ma'am, or move.
No, no,
That
no.
no, no, ma'am.
No, it cannot dance. It cannot dance. Yeah.
Ma'am, without
Share the link
muscles
of
and
that.
all, human skeleton can move or move, ma'am.
No. Yes, with muscles and everything, it can move. So I have finished today's class. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am. So much.
we will say bye to Guru.
Ma'am, please send the video for the group.
Yes, sure. Guru is telling bye. He's tired.
Bye, Guru.
Bye.
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 Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, for some understand, and we would like to thank United Way and Reaching Hand.
Bye, ma'am.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮುಗೀತು.
Very
Thank
big
you, ma'am.
thank you to Ganesh
Thank you for
sir.
this
A
excited class.
very big thank you to Ganesh sir.
Ganesh sir,
you,
thank
sir.
you so much. Jai
Both
Shri
of you,
madam,
ma'am.
thank you so much. And once again, happy Guru Purnima to all.
Happy Guru Purnima.
Same to you, ma'am.
Yes.
Guru Purnima.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is so excited class. We are enjoyed, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much. Next time, which class you want? Biology, physics, or math?
Biology only, ma'am. Biology.
Why not
Chemistry,
maths?
ma'am.
Why not maths?
Chemistry, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Maths also.
Maths also.
Yes, sir. Maths is also very excited.
Okay.
Okay, so next month we will.
These classes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for that also again we should register.
Yes, next time we will share the link, the same like like today,
Yes, ma'am. Please
and
send,
you
ma'am.
can join in next month.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, again we should register and take the link or directly we'll send.
Now this record, which we will share new link.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for this wonderful class.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.